In this lesson, we're going to learn about trend lines and how to identify a particular trend within your Microsoft Excel data. So we have opened the workbook called Ice Cream Sales with Trend Lines. So if you click on this tab called Chart 2019, and the way we have created that particular chart is we've highlighted the information that you want, then simply hit the F11 key, or you can simply click on Insert, Recommended Charts, select the chart that you want, and it was this one. Then clicked OK, and this is how we have generated this particular chart of 2019. But the only difference is that I've clicked on it, selected Move, and I've moved it to a new sheet which I named Chart 2019. So if you go to that particular chart, and when we click on it, we're going to see in the chart tools design option there's something called chart elements, and when you scroll down we're going to see something called trend line. The first option is none, and when I select it, all trend lines which are here are going to disappear. So I click on add chart elements, trend line, then select a linear type of trend line, which you can see is a dotted type of representation. You can choose exponential, you can choose linear focused, you can select moving average, and you can also click on more trend line options, which will open a tab to the right hand side of your Excel workbook. Then in this option you can select logarithmic, polynomial, power, moving average, and in the moving average you have the option of selecting the period as to determine as to what average should the trend line be calculated from. Is it after 2 months or after 4 months, or etc. Okay, you can also do automatic or custom, and once you've done that, you simply go back to your chart and the trend line will be displayed. The only purpose of using trend lines is to identify a particular trend. Let's say, for example, you want to see what is the moving average of the sales of the ice cream within a 4-month period. We can clearly see that the trend line only appears after 4 months have passed, from January, February, March, April. Then the graph will start showing what is the trend. Is it climbing or is it going down? If after the 4th month the trend was going downwards, the trend line will not project that the trend is going upwards. It will start projecting that the trend line would go downwards. So that is how you use trend lines to identify a particular type of trends within your Microsoft Excel workbook and information. I'll see you in the next lesson.